一命、二运、三风水。一个人从呱呱坠地的那一刻开始，便和风水有着千丝万缕的关系。不管是出生取名、学业上进、乔迁之喜、升官发财，还是婚丧嫁娶等，都离不开风水的帮助和指导。风水文化是中国几千年历史文化所沉淀的精髓，早已经渗透生活的各个方面。不少人觉得风水玄而又玄，其实风水也是一门科学，它科学哲理地昭示着生活的各个层面。成立于2011年的水晶风水馆 Desmond Jason Academy Private Limited， 成立时间不长，但却以卓而不群的企业文化、科学的管理模式、高品质的服务和产品，成为新加坡风水界异军突起的品牌。其服务范围包括阳宅风水、商业风水、阴宅风水、八字算命、流年八字、易经占卜、选吉日时辰、选名配八字、股市、市场经济推算以及风水、八字、水晶讲座和中华文学讲座等，为顾客提供多方位的风水服务。好的企业需要好的产品，好的产品来源于对品质的把控。水晶风水馆除了帮顾客看风水之外，还售卖各种来自巴西、南非的天然水晶石摆件。这些水晶石都是宇宙之造化，天地之结晶，日月之精华，有镇宅辟邪、转运招财之功效，一直以来都是最好的居家风水摆件。水晶风水馆售卖的每一款风水产品都巧妙地融入生活的每一个层面，无论是装饰灯具还是装饰油画，无论是居家摆设还是服饰品，都巧妙将风水概念及天然水晶融入其中，让你的生活中处处与风水结缘。吴居士 Master Desmond N 是水晶风水馆的创办人之一，专门研究中国玄学，尤其是在风水、八字、水晶玄术、水晶增法、太乙精华宗旨、易经、相术以及其他的玄学风水。从事风水咨询服务已有20多年的经验。吴居士精通双语，拥有南洋理工大学应用科学学士学位以及莫纳什大学的教育硕士学位。良好的教育背景使得他能更了解风水书背后的历史背景、地理与风水的关系，以及如何将风水大众化。由于他资深的行业经验，他经常被邀请到本地以及加拿大、澳大利亚、印尼、中国等地分享在风水领域的研究成果，而享誉同业之内，飞升各界之中。水晶风水馆始终坚信，一位好的风水师要具有天地人的知识体系，并且有良心。一个风水师只有在具备了充足的风水知识的基础上，再加上良好的修养道德，才能在看风水、解决风水问题的时候，以顾客为出发点，解决顾客的风水问题。为了让更多的人了解风水知识，水晶风水馆也会定期举办风水玄学讲座，教导公众掌握基本的风水和生肖知识，传承玄学文化。水晶风水馆以专业多元化的风水服务，让更多人解除疑惑，走出困局，迎接更美好的人生。
Hello, I'm Casey Tan. I'm 50 this year. I've known Master Desmond Ng for the past 3 years. I've requested from Master Desmond Ng to greet my house in order to have family harmony and good health. As of today, for myself, I'm feeling more energetic and better rest. Pertaining to me and my wife, we have a very happy relationship as of before, or as like before. And for my children, they are progressing well in terms of study and sports. I personally will highly recommend you to look into crystal feng shui. I'm very sure it will definitely benefit you, your family, and your business. Thank you.
My name is Diana. I actually got to know Desmond and Jason through a friend because of my interest in crystal. I've been buying crystal just for accessory's sake. However, after learning the courses that comes from him, I realized that crystal can do more than just that. It actually helps me in using the correct crystal and its properties. I've actually used it and tested it on several occasions, even to interviews, even in work, as well as in the family. I actually got Desmond to help me to actually greet my house because of the feng shui in the house wasn't that good. It actually helped me improve my health as well as relationship with my family. The other thing is that using the correct crystal, I've actually braced a very important event of a new bank opening. And actually got very good comments coming from the people who actually attended the event itself. Because using the correct crystal helps me to actually boost my confidence, able to calm myself even in front of the thousands of people that were present in the event itself. I must thank Desmond, who actually helped me a lot in this area, even also in respect of my son, which I helped him in his relationship. This really matters a lot to me. Thank you.
我本身是一位生意人，然后因为生意上出现了一些问题，就通过朋友认识了水晶风水馆的Desmond， 帮我寻觅了一间新的店面，而且帮我们摆设了一些水晶的一些风水的东西。然后之后我们搬进去了，就有看到一些好转，生意开始变得好，而且顾客来得比较顺。所以在这里我很谢谢Desmond 跟 Jason 所提供给我们的一些水晶上的风水上的一些知识跟帮助，谢谢。
我的名字叫刘景鹏，我是无极寺的一个很好要好的朋友。之前我们就是也算是他的一位客户吧，就是有通过他的这个指点跟帮助，在事业、家庭各方面都得到了很大的帮助。就是说有风水的规划跟没有风水的规划，真的是对我们的家人的那个各方面的这个好处都很不同。所以我也是很庆幸能够认识到无极寺这位可以说是良师益友吧的多方面的帮助。
I'm Master Desmond Ng. I'm one of the co-founders of Desmond Jason Academy, also known as Shui Jing Feng Shui Guan. I've been practicing Feng Shui for 20 odd years. In these 20 years, I've been practicing Feng Shui with Ba Zi. So when my client comes to me with a problem or an issue, I usually use Ba Zi to decode their issues, so I can see all their whole life destiny. And then with the Ba Zi diagnose their problem, I will go to the house to use Feng Shui to solve their problems. And in many instances, though not all, I use crystals to help them. Why crystals? Because crystals can effect the result quicker and faster. So what it takes a normal Feng Shui technique without the crystal for 3 years to take effect, With the crystals, probably will take a year, sometimes within 6 months, the effect will turn on. And in order to help my client to understand further what is feng shui, so normally I give a talk on Saturday afternoon between 2 to 3 p.m. So in those talks, I provide more information on feng shui and also crystals. So in that sense, my clients are more well informed of the feng shui and crystals. Thank you.